Hey, it's Drew. Today I'll show you how to set up an SPF record as part of setting up your company's WiseStamp signatures. Easily improve your email deliverability and reduce the chances of your emails getting stuck in spam folders. We'll be using GoDaddy as an example, so look for similar settings if you're using a different host. Let's begin. To set up your SPF record, log into your domain registrar's website and navigate to your domain's DNS settings. Locate the option to add or edit a new DNS record. If you already have SPF records, you can filter them by selecting TXT from the list of record types. Now, edit the record by adding the following information in the right fields. Enter @ for the name, and for the value, enter the list of IP addresses or domains that are authorized to send emails on behalf of your domain. If you're adding a new SPF record and only send emails from WiseStamp, select Add and enter this value to the list of authorized senders. Here's how it looks. If you're editing an existing SPF record and send emails from other sources, which is a more common scenario, you need to add WiseStamp's SPF after the existing source and before -all, like this. You'll also want to set your TTL, or time to live, value to 1 hour. This is how long the DNS record will remain cached by other servers. Now, save the record and wait for the changes to propagate. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on your DNS provider. Once the SPF record is set up, you can use tools like SPF record checkers to make sure that it's working correctly. For troubleshooting or more information, check out our other video tutorials and our Help Center. Thank you for choosing WiseStamp to generate and manage your professional email signatures.